Can you solve all these questions without making a single mistake? Let's test your maths skill together. Hello students, welcome to Maths with Kanika ma'am. Today we are going to solve exercise 1B question 7 to 12 from large numbers around us. So take out your notebook, keep your pen ready and let's start solving. First, we have to solve question number 7. In thoughtful thousands, what number will show on display if the button is pressed 11 times, 156 times, 335 times, 1000 times? Thoughtful thousands में हर बटन प्रेस करने पर 1000 ऐड होता है. 1. 11 times means 11 multiplied by 1000. That means 11 thousands. So the display will show 11,000. 2. 156 times. That means 156 multiplied by thousands is equal to 156 000. So the display will show 156,000. Now 3 will be 335 multiplied by 1000, 3350. 4 will be 1000 multiplied by 1000 to 1 million. Okay. Whenever one button adds 1000, simply multiply the number of presses by 1000. Okay. Very easy. Now question 8. Give 3 different ways of showing 742 on the display of creative चिट्ठी. यहाँ हमें 742 को क्रिएटिव चिट्ठी पर 3 डिफरेंट वेज से शो करना पड़ेगा. ओके, शो करना है. तो क्रिएटिव चिट्ठी में हम +100, +10 और +1 बटन का यूज करते हैं. ओके. फर्स्ट वे 7 multiplied by 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 700 plus 40 plus 2, 742. Second way 6 multiplied by 100 plus 14 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 600 plus 140 plus 2, which is also equal to 742. Now, third way 5 multiplied by 100 plus 24 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1, 500 plus 240 plus 2, which is equal to 742. देखिए मेथड्स अलग है लेकिन फाइनल आंसर में सेम है 742. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन 9. What number will creative चिट्ठी show on the display if we press +1000 button 4 times, +1000 button 4 times, +100 button 3 times, +10 button 2 times and +1 button 5 times. ओके. अब एक एक वैल्यू निकलते हैं. +1000 multiplied by 4, 4000, 100 multiplied by 3, 300, 10 multiplied by 2, 20, 1 multiplied by 5, 5. So now add them. Okay. Now add them. 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5, which is equal to 4325. Therefore, the display will show 4325. Students, remember one thing always. Mathematics does not become easy by watching, okay? It becomes easy by practicing. So never stop practicing. Now question 10. On creative chitti, what is the least number of total button presses required to show 3210 on the display? हमें 3210 को लीस्ट नंबर में 3210 को लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ बटन प्रेसेस में डिस्प्ले करना है. प्लेस वैल्यूज में लिखते हैं हम. ओके 3210 मीन्स 3 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10. Okay, so thousands 3 times, 100 2 times, 10 1 times, 1 time. So total button presses is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the least number of button presses is 6. Okay. Now we solve question 11. You are allowed to make exactly 20 buttons. Okay. Presses on creative chitti. What is the largest possible 4-digit number that you can have on the display? Also find the smallest 5-digit number that you can have on the display. Okay. सबसे पहले लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर बनाते हैं. सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू के लिए हम पहले 1000 बटन का यूज करेंगे. ओके हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं द largest possible 4-digit number by pressing exactly 20 button on creative chitti is equal to 9 times plus 1000 button plus 9 times 100 button plus 2 times plus 10 buttons. Okay. 9000 plus 900 plus 20, which is equal to 9920. Okay. Therefore, the largest possible 4-digit number is 9920. Now, smallest. Okay. The smallest 5-digit number that can get by pressing exactly 20 button on creative chitti is equal to 10 times thousands button plus 10 times 1 buttons, which is equal to plus 10 10010. Okay. Therefore, the smallest possible 5-digit number is 10010. Now let's solve the final question of this exercise. How many button presses are required to show 23361 on systematic CP? Write the expression for the same. expression को लिखना है. सिस्टमेटिक सीपी में हम हमेशा मिनिमम बटन प्रेसेस करते हैं। ओके, सबसे पहले नंबर को प्लेस वैल्यूज में लिखते हैं। 23361 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10,000 plus 3 multiplied by 1,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 1. Now count the total button presses. Okay, number of buttons is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 5, 8, 14, 15. Okay, therefore 15 button presses are required. Therefore 15 button presses are required. Okay, now the required expression, okay, expression is equal to, now the required expression is 23361 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10,000 plus 3 multiplied by 1,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 1. That's all for today's class. I hope you understood every questions clearly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Maths with Kanika ma'am. Remember, every maths problem becomes easy with practice. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye everyone. Tata.